There's slowdown in the Fresno County court case involving convicted murderer Daniel Gomez Cervantes. His defense team is now asking for what would be the 9th delay in sentencing. Attorneys claim they're hiring new experts. Action News reporter Gabe Ferris is at the live desk tonight with the latest on this case that dates back to 2013. Gabe.
Warren, it's been delay after delay in the case involving Daniel Gomez Cervantes. He's been a convicted murderer now for nearly 2 years and still no sentence. There's not even one in sight.
It's time to decide this case one way or another.
Justice at a snail's pace. No sentence for a convicted Fresno murderer nearly 2 years after a jury handed down its verdict.
We, the jury, in the above entitled action, find the defendant, Daniel Gomez Cervantes, guilty of first-degree murder of Miriam Corona.
Miriam Corona was asleep when prosecutors say she was shot in the back of her head in 2013. They charged her boyfriend, Daniel Gomez Cervantes, with murder. His attorneys say Cervantes didn't pull the trigger.
Reasonable possibility that Ms. Corona committed suicide.
The case has been slow from the start. It didn't go to trial for 9 years, and in the nearly 2 years since the guilty verdict, Cervantes has been in court at least 9 times for sentencing. Nearly every time, his defense attorneys have pushed the date back. They did it again on Wednesday.
I am asking for a month.
The latest delay comes as attorney Erin Ormonde tries to secure more public funding. She's told the court she's trying to hire 2 experts who have testimony that could have changed the jury's verdict.
It's a funding issue for the experts. It's a constitutional issue.
By hiring experts and outlining what they'll say, Ormonde appears to be doing the legwork on a motion for a new trial. She wants a new jury to hear new evidence. Action News legal analyst Tony Capozzi says Ormonde has an uphill battle.
It's a steep hill to climb on a motion for new trial, especially now when you're trying to come in with new evidence that maybe should have been presented at the time of trial. It's going to be very difficult.
If the defense can secure funding for expert testimony, the motion for a new trial would then be in the judge's hands. But if the defense cannot get funding, though, the judge could sentence Daniel Gomez Cervantes, and then he could file an appeal. Everybody will now be back in court on May 2nd. At the live desk, I'm Gabe Ferris, ABC 30 Action News.